Hello everyone, this printer is HP LaserJet M140we. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, scan with this printer, and this toner is original HP toner 142A black. This toner goes with HP LaserJet printers M110, MFP, M140. What you want to do is to replace the ink toner, and to do this, first of all, you need to plug the printer to the power. Then you wait for the printer to be set and a lot quieter. If you look on the display, you will see that the Wi-Fi light is flashing, and also it's also highlighting underneath the console, showing us that the toner is also empty. So this is the LCD screen, and now the Wi-Fi is steady light. It means that this printer is connected to Wi-Fi network, but also you can see amber light highlighting. It means that the toner is running out or completely empty. So what you want to do is to replace the toner. This printer uses only black toner. Now you open up this printer this way. Once you open it up, then you go in straight. So put your hand straight and you see the toner 142A is what it's using. So this is the toner. Well sealed up. (142A) LaserJet toner cartridge. So what you need to do is you need to remove this and also pull off this. Okay, now the next thing to do is you need to go in. So make sure there is a plastic on the right side, on each side of it. So you need to follow the pattern. So make sure these corners here go into the side, then push down, and it's in. Then the next thing to do is just gently close the printer. Then you wait. And if you look on the display, you will see the light that was flashing underneath cancel button is off. So this printer now, the toner is recognized and the printer is ready and set. So there is no light flashing here any longer. Initially there was a light flashing underneath the cancel button. The toner light was flashing. So now the toner is recognized. We're going to copy a document, for example. So I got this paper that I want us to copy. It's colored, but the printer can only print black. So stick the document that you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left side. Then you close the scanner. Then go to the button. Press this button once. This is the document we copied. Very quick. So this is how to replace the toner and print out a document. Thank you very much indeed. This printer deserves your attention. Thank you.